It's a rainy day. I gotta dress up. So, another rainy day. We're almost mid-December. Weather's starting to change quite a bit. But I've got to do something a little different, or trying something a little different for the ride in on rainy days. Right now it's currently just gloomy, not really rainy, but I'm layered up a little differently than I usually would. I'm gonna try the old man winter pants today, see how these go, see if this is better than like the leggings and things. And then I'm gonna use my regular rain jacket since my other rain jacket makes me kind of soggy. But let's see how this goes, see if this is better. Packing my clothes for work, always handy with my RouteWerks bag. Perfect job. So I've had to adapt a little bit. It said it was supposed to be 80% precipitation today. Not really seeing it right now, but Texas, you never know. So I've made some changes to weather, gear, to see how this works. This bigger jacket, Patagonia, should help me keep dry, but we'll see. So that's a little adaptation I did to the RouteWerks bag. See if I could maybe get a little front rain deflection up front. I said it twice, but as you can see, a little bit of air downforce rubs the tire. Not a bad thing, but definitely don't want to ruin what I did. So hopefully I can find another way to set that up, have a little more rain protection up front. I just avoided a screw. Damn, that would have been nasty on the tire. Tubeless though. And I'm at work. I think I should have wore a bandana. A little sweaty. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'll bring you some more goodies.